viewers, in this review we will be discussing in detail about the best portable blenders available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best portable blenders, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Portable Blenders. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. Makes great smoothies and icy drinks. Ice crushing power for smooth results. Easy to clean jar and lid go in the dishwasher. Compact size makes it the perfect blender for home, office or while traveling. Well priced, very trendy color. Design is lightweight, compact and easy to transport. BPA free and dishwasher safe containers. Supports 110 and 120 volt, one-touch blending. Number 4. NutriBullet NBR0601 Personal Blender. Low power blender. Contains a recipe book and attachments too. Dishwasher safe. Very few removable parts. A formidable motor with good blending power anytime. High quality design with the main aim to last longer. Inexpensive personal blender with good features. Very silent motor cooled by a good sturdy ventilated design. Portable and easy to carry. Easy to clean accessories made from BPA-free materials. Easy to use or control. Easy to install blade or uninstall to dishwasher. Number 3. Cuisinart CPB 300 Blender. Sleek electronic touchpad with LED indicator lights, high, low and pulse control, standby mode, safety interlock and auto stop features, BS housing with stainless steel front paint, BPA free Tritan 32 ounces blender jar, 8 ounces chopping cup and set of 4 16 ounces travel cups, patented ultra sharp stainless steel blades. Powerful 350 watt motor with a sleek electronic touchpad and LED indicator lights. Standby mode. Number 2. Pop Baby's Portable Personal Blender. Dishwasher safe. Perfect for baby food. Crushed ice and nuts. Makes very little mess. Comes with a free funnel. Detachable bottle for drinking. Bold measurement lines. Blend while you charge. BPA free cup. Built-in blades. Around 480 ml cup capacity. 2200 RPM motor. Blend while you charge. Built-in blades. Around 480 ml cup capacity. Number 1. Hamilton 51101 AV Beach Personal Blender. Makes great smoothies and icy drinks. Ice crushing power for smooth results. Blend and drink from the jar. Easy to clean jar and lid, go in the dishwasher. Fast and easy one-touch blending. BPA free and dishwasher safe container. Very easy to use. Comes with 2 jars which contain leaves, certainly adds a convenience factor.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.